CoverageBook's report template features allow you to create and save bespoke formatted reports for everyone on your account to use. It will ensure that all of your reports stay consistent and looking exactly as you want. They will always be on brand, and they're really quick and easy to use once you've got them set up. So anyone can grab a report template, add coverage to it, and your report's ready to go in just a few minutes. We have a few different options available for creating reports, starting with our quick start templates. So we have designed 5 different pre-formatted templates that you can use. You can also use these as an idea of how you might want to set up your reports in the future. We have an annual report with sections laid out from January to December. This is a great option if you want to create a month-on-month roundup. We also have a numbers update which focuses more on the metrics, less on the visuals. A no metrics report which is all about the visuals, and an activity roundup as well. So do have a play around with those and see if one of those formats works for you. If you're looking for the original default CoverageBook version, it's the showcase report. If you click on that, you will have a nice fresh blank report that you can customize and create in any way that you like. So in addition to these, we also have the option now to create custom templates from any existing reports inside your CoverageBook account. So for example, if I wanted to create a template from this PR resolution, coverage and events report for a client, if I click into it, the really good thing about creating a template from an existing report is that it pulls across all of the formatting for you. So the banner logo, the accent color, your front cover choices, preferences and images. It will also pull through things like the order of the metrics cards that you've set in your summary. So perhaps you like to create different variations of metrics placements for different clients. It will also pull through anything like any custom slides or images that you've added. And finally, sections. So if you like to create different sections to help organize your coverage, perhaps you do this for different teams to add coverage to. Once you have all of those sections created in the report, we will remember those for your template. It's really easy to create one. Just go to the top right hand corner of the overview tab, click on the 3 dots and hit the save as template button. From here, you can give your template a name. You can be a bit more descriptive here as well if you wanted to help your teams find the right template that they're looking for. And we also have a description box at the bottom, so you can add some short text, perhaps a little bit of instruction on how to use this or on what occasion you should be using this template. And when you're ready, just hit the Create Template button. Now we will add the most recently created templates to your quick start bar here, but if you wanted to see all of your templates, just hit the View All button in the top right. You can add up to 20 templates at a time. You will need to be an admin in order to create and save templates, but once you have those templates saved, anyone that has access to your CoverageBook account can grab one of those templates and make a report from it. It's really quick and easy to do. Just click on the template that you want to use, give it a name, obviously be more descriptive than that. Choose a folder that you want to add it to, and then just hit that Create Report button, and we will pull through, as I mentioned before, like all of that formatting, all of those sections, everything's ready to go for you to add coverage to. One of the things that you won't be able to do directly from a template is edit any of the information inside that template because we lock them down. But what you can do is if you click into a template and just create a new report from that, once you have that report created from the template, you can make any changes that you want, any edits, any amendments, and then just go back to that Save as Template option, and you can save that again. And once that's ready to be saved, you can then go back and delete the template that you don't want to use anymore, and that will make sure that you're updated with the most recent version for your teams to use. There are a couple of other options that you can do from here as well. You will be able to edit the template name and descriptive text if you do want to change that, and you can also delete a template from your templates page at any time using the option at the bottom. So those are the options we have available for creating and saving your own customized templates that you can reuse time and time again. There is also a really quick way that you can make a copy of a report when needed. So what you can do is, for example, if you're creating a month-on-month report for a client and you just quickly need to copy all of the formatting from one report into a blank one, if you hover over the three dots below and to the right of any report in your account, click on the copy option, you will be able to copy that report just with the styles and settings, and this will effectively carry over all of those logos, colours, sections, etc. So that's a really quick and easy way to make a new report from an existing one when you need to. Hopefully that's helped guide you through how to create and save report templates. We hope you find them useful. If you do have any questions, get in touch with us at support@coveragebook.com and we'd be happy to help.